In the name of Allah, most merciful and most gracious. Respected my all teachers, students of Al-Jamiatul Ashrafiyya and Islamic brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Before recite salat upon the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam once before and after the dua. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Shafi'ana Habibana Maulana Muhammadin ma'adin al-judi wal-ikram wa alihi al-kiram ibn al-kareem. Barik wa sallim salatu wa salaman alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. O Allah, open the door of knowledge and wisdom for us and have mercy on us, O the one who is the most honorable and glorious. Allah Almighty's final Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam has said, adorn your gathering by sending salat upon me, for your sending of salat upon me will be light for you on the day of judgment. A spiritual guide in Sharia, a leader of the nation, a leader of a scholar, the hadith scholar of Muradabad, Sayyiduna Shaykh Hafiz Millah Rahmatu wa Rizwan. Name was Abdul Aziz and his appellation Hafiz Millat. He was the son of Hafiz Ghulam Nur, the grandson Hafiz Abdul Rahim. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat was born in Bhojpur in Uttar Pradesh, India on Monday in 1894 in a poor household. He was given the name Abdul Aziz, but he became famous with the name Hafiz Millat, the guardian of the nation, the leader of the nation. He was extremely careful about his prayers and fasting. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat. Hafiz Millat without photograph taken is an example of his taqwa. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat memorized the Holy Quran complete from his father. He enrolled at Jamia Naimia in Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. He studied for 3 years. Thirst for knowledge reached a high level. He was searching for a new teacher. He was searching for a new lead. He was searching for a new madrasa. His search lead him to service of author Bahari Shariat, Huzur Sadr Sharia, alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan. His search for lead him to Huzur Sadr Sharia, alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan. He arrived at Jamia Mu'iniya in Ajmer in 1342. With efforts, hard-working Hafiz Millat complete the whole Darsa Nizami syllabus. During the month of Huzur Hafiz Millat in 1352, Huzur Sadr Sharia alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan called Hafiz Millat to Bail Sharif, said that because Sadr Sharia alayhi rahmatu wa rizwan had spent so much time away from his home district Azamgarh, it has to Mubarakpur, he wanted to send Hafiz Millat to lead him to the peoples. He wanted to send Hafiz Millat to lead the lead of the peoples, Huzur Hafiz Millat, Jalalatul Ilm, Abul Faiz, Huzur Hafiz Millat followed his instructions. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat who did not live even tahajjud after reaching adulthood. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat converted to like school Madrasa Ashrafiyya into Al-Jamiatul Ashrafiyya Arabic University. Who is Hafiz Millat? Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat who performing Hajj without photograph in 1967. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat whose Jamia Ashrafiyya more than 2,000 scholars have graduated till now. Who is Hafiz Millat? Hafiz Millat, the gifted Ahl Sunnah. Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah, a researcher and planner and jurist and administrator. Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah and researcher and planner Allama Abdul Rauf Balyavi. Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah Allama Arshadul Qadri, Munazir Ahl Sunnah Allama Arshadul Qadri. Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah Allama Ziaul Mustafa Azmi. Huzur Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah debater Munazir Ahl Sunnah Allama Arshadul Qadri. Huzur Hafiz Millat gifted the Ahl Sunnah Pirane पिरान तरीक़त सैयद मुज्तबा अशरफ, इजहार अशरफ, हामिद अशरफ, कुमैल मियाँ, मदनी मियाँ, अल्लामा अब्दुल मुबीन रशीदी, अल्लामा अब्दुल रऊफ बलियाभी, अल्लामा अब्दुल रऊफ बलियाभी, अल्लामा अहमद मिसबाही, हुजूर हाफिज मिल्लत गिफ्टेड अहले सुन्ना, a thinker, a great hadith commentator, हुजूर मुफ्ती शरीफुल हक आज़मी, हुजूर हाफिज मिल्लत गिफ्टेड अहले सुन्ना, हुजूर हाफिज मिल्लत गिफ्टेड अहले सुन्ना, हुजूर हाफिज मिल्लत गिफ्टेड अहले सुन्ना, a thinker, a great preacher, मुफ्ती निज़ामुद्दीन साहब क़िबला, and scholarly and thoughts fortunes to Jamia like Jamia Ashrafia and welcome to Al Jami guest Al Jamiatul Ashrafia. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbi wa atubu ilayh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.